In today's fast-paced world, the significance of sleep often fades into the background, overshadowed by work and responsibilities. However, recognizing sleep as a crucial pillar of health is essential for a vibrant life. Sleep is not merely a break from the hustle, it is a vital process where the body and mind rejuvenate, ensuring that we wake up feeling refreshed and ready to face the day ahead. The importance of sleep extends far beyond just feeling tired or alert. Physically, sleep plays a pivotal role in healing and repair. During the night, the body undertakes crucial repair work, mending tissues and boosting the immune system. This natural healing process lowers the risk of chronic conditions, such as heart disease and obesity. Furthermore, sleep is instrumental in maintaining a healthy weight, as it regulates the hormones that control hunger and stress. When our bodies are well rested, we are less prone to making unhealthy food choices and more inclined toward nurturing our well-being. Mentally, quality sleep sharpens our cognitive functions. Picture a brain after a restful night. It processes information seamlessly, enabling us to focus and make sound decisions. A well-rested mind facilitates memory retention, simplifying learning new concepts and skills. Conversely, prolonged sleep deprivation fogs the mind, diminishes cognitive abilities, and can lead to significant emotional disturbances such as anxiety and depression. To establish a foundation of good sleep, adopting consistent habits is key. Firstly, maintain a fixed sleep schedule. Waking up and sleeping at the same time helps synchronize your internal clock. This creates a natural rhythm, enhancing sleep quality. Next, cultivate a relaxing bedtime routine, indulging in gentle activities like reading or meditating. These peaceful practices help ease your transition into slumber, free from the chaos of the day. Additionally, optimizing your sleep environment cannot be overlooked. Aim for a dark, quiet, and cool room that invites sleep, complemented by a comfortable mattress and pillows. Minimize stimulants like caffeine and nicotine several hours before bed, as well as reduce screen time to shield yourself from the blue light that impedes the sleep hormone melatonin. The benefits of prioritizing sleep are profound. With increased energy, improved moods, and elevated cognitive abilities, it sets a beneficial tone for a healthier lifestyle. Embrace the journey of prioritizing sleep, for it is not simply a luxury, but a vital necessity. Begin fostering healthy sleep habits tonight, and relish the numerous rewards they bring to your mind and body. Sleep is not just a passive state, it is a vital period during which your body and brain engage in essential functions. This active process unfolds in cycles, each approximately 90 minutes long, encompassing 4 distinct stages that together contribute to restorative rest. The journey begins with light sleep, characterized by a gradual transition from wakefulness to slumber. As your heart rate slows and muscles relax, the body starts to prepare for deeper, more restorative phases of sleep. Following light sleep, deep sleep emerges as your body performs critical repairs. During this rejuvenating phase, tissues are mended, cells regenerate, and the immune system receives a boost. Deep sleep acts as a sanctuary for physical recuperation, enabling you to wake up feeling revitalized. It is this stage that underlines the necessity of uninterrupted cycles for maintaining your health and energy levels throughout the day. Finally, REM sleep enters the equation, a stage where vivid dreams occur and mental processes soar. This phase is integral for memory consolidation and emotional processing, enhancing creativity while also supporting cognitive functions. To feel truly rested, your body must cycle through all 4 stages several times a night. However, various factors such as stress, caffeine consumption, or an irregular schedule can disrupt this natural rhythm, making you feel groggy and drained upon waking. To improve sleep quality, adopting effective strategies is beneficial. Managing stress and anxiety through meditation, journaling, and controlled breathing exercises can significantly impact the tranquility of your slumber. Additionally, thoughtful eating and drinking practices come into play. Opting for light, sleep-friendly snacks while staying hydrated can pave the way for a better night's rest. Morning exposure to natural sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, promoting wakefulness during the day and sleepiness at night. Beware of common sleep myths that can derail your efforts. The idea that sleep debt can be caught up over the weekend is misleading. Consistency is the true ally of adequate rest. Many adults require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep for optimal functioning and health. And while a nightcap may initially seem to lull you to sleep, it ultimately disrupts REM sleep, leaving you feeling less refreshed. To track and enhance your sleep progression, consider using sleep apps or keeping a diary to monitor patterns. Reflecting on these insights allows for adjustments that can lead to a more restful and restorative night. Imagine waking up each day feeling rejuvenated and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Quality sleep isn't just a luxury, it's an essential component for long-term health and well-being. Prioritizing sleep brings forth a cascade of benefits that extend far beyond just feeling rested. One of the most significant advantages of quality sleep is its profound impact on heart health. Research reveals a strong connection between restful nights and a decreased risk of hypertension and heart disease. When you allow your body adequate time to undergo its natural restorative processes, you provide your heart the opportunity to heal and strengthen. Sleep acts as a reset button, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels and reducing inflammation, all integral components of cardiovascular wellness. In addition to heart health, sleep has a remarkable influence on cognitive function and productivity. Those precious hours spent recuperating allow your brain to form and organize memories, enhancing your focus and problem-solving skills throughout the day. You'll find that ideas come to you faster, decisions are made with ease, and your overall productivity skyrockets. It's during sleep that your brain processes information, ultimately leading to greater creativity and sharper mental clarity. Emotional stability is another vital benefit that arises from quality sleep. When your sleep patterns are consistently healthy, you experience enhanced emotional control and resilience in times of stress. The day-to-day challenges of life seem much more manageable, thanks to a well-rested mind. Imagine meeting obstacles with a calm demeanor and a positive outlook. That's the power of sleep as the foundation of emotional health. However, it's important to understand that improving sleep patterns requires a commitment to lifestyle changes, rather than seeking immediate solutions. Simple adjustments, such as establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a comfortable sleep environment, and managing screen time before sleep, can lead to substantial improvements in your nightly rest. In essence, committing to prioritizing sleep not only enhances your daily life, but also sets the stage for a healthier and more energized future. So consider making sleep a priority. The long-term advantages are not just worthwhile, but transformative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights on fitness and wellness.